Welcome to Eikestad Primary School here in Stellenbosch. Today we are showcasing you how solar energy has transformed the school, providing reliable, sustainable power to support their operations. Solar energy is not just a cost-saving measure, it is an investment in the future, offering energy independence and a cleaner environment for the generations to come. In partnership with industry leaders, we provide end-to-end solar solutions that deliver both immediate and long-term benefits.
Okay, ons is so by Laerskool Eikestad, saam met die terreinbestuurder Willem, dankie vir dit.
Plezier.
Kan oom dalk net vanaf vir ons sê wat die behoefte was, wat die probleem was en hoekom julle vir ons gekontak het om te uithelp?
Ja, die aard van die saak met die geweldige hoeveelheid kragonderbrekings of die load shedding wat ons gehad het, was dit baie moeilik om die skool effektief aan die gang te hou. Ons het ander metodes probeer deur inverters in te sit en so meer om van die goed aan die gang te hou, maar dit was nie vir ons waar ons wou wees nie. Derhalwe het ons gesoek vir 'n oplossing om die skool so ver as moontlik van die grid af te haal. Ons het dit met julle reg gekry.
Great, baie dankie. Okay, oom, voor ek oom gaan los om weer te gaan doen wat oom en goed is, wil ek net vra, sal oom vir die soortgelyke skole, besighede, kantoorblokke in die omgewing aanbeveel om soortgelyke sisteme in te sit met e-Lek Energy, IBC, Victron, Solar MD en Longie panele asook SMA? Wat is ons gevoel?
Ja, nee, definitief. Ek dink die span het goed saamgewerk. Die stelsel wat ons het is werklik waar goed. Ons het al reeds baie navraag gehad en ons beveel julle definitief aan. Want die stelsel doen wat ons wil hê. Baie dankie.
With the client's specific needs at Laerskool Eikestad, what we decided to install was a 45 kVA Victron-based system. It consists out of 3 50 kVA Victron multipluses. We have 8 of the Solar MD 14.3 rack-mount batteries, which equates to about 114 kilowatt-hours of storage. We have a 20 kilowatt SMA grid tie inverter with 25 kilowatt peak of Longie solar panels installed. The system is also fully registered and signed off with the municipality, so they're currently feeding back all the excess solar which they generate mostly on weekends. One of the challenges we faced here is general safety, with this being a primary school. So the main DB board is located right at the main entrance in the middle of the hallway, and obviously couldn't install a system there, so we had to find a safe place. The safest place we could find is an old storage room, which is about 100 meters away from the main DB. So the physical cable reticulation was one of the biggest challenges here, but we overcome that, did the necessary calculations, and the system is up and running. With me being the electrical engineer of e-Lek Energy, my main advantage of supporting IBC is the unmatched technical support that we get with buying from IBC.
We got to site this morning at Eikestad Primary School. And as we walked into the inverter room, the first thing we see is 3 red lights. Can you just explain what happened this morning?
Yes, so when we got here, started to take our photos for the promo shoot. We saw that all 3 of the inverters went into an error state, and we saw the error was a low battery alarm. So immediately it points to the batteries. But luckily we had the main technical guy of IBC on site, and we quickly logged in. They had to do it remotely. It was about 5 minutes and the problem is solved. So this is just going to replace one of the BMS cards for us. We're going to get it early next week and then problem solved. And so yeah, once again, that's why we have such a good relationship with IBC, and we pride working with them is the support we get. I mean, it's not just that you were on site today. If you weren't here and I phoned you or any of the support guys, kudos to you guys. Thanks a lot.
At IBC Solar, we are more than just a distributor. We are your partner in your solar journey. From the very first consultation to the final installation, our team ensures that each project is carefully designed to suit the specific needs of the business or farm. But it doesn't stop there. We offer ongoing support, monitoring and maintenance to guarantee that your system continues to perform at its best year after year. With our deep understanding of solar technology and the commitment to customer satisfaction, we're helping to make solar energy accessible and reliable for businesses across South Africa.
Victron Energy is a family-owned company of engineers. This year we are 49 years old. Next year we turn 50. As a product manufacturer, that speaks volumes in our modern industry. So where does the Victron Energy inverter charger fit into the market? Well, firstly, we've got a track record of over 20 years where the product's been used in various applications, so off-grid, on-grid. In the last 10 or 12 years, the on-grid market has really grown, where people need reliable power while connected to the grid. So when the grid fails, the inverter takes over the power for a smooth and efficient power supply. Your appliances don't break. The pure sine wave output, backed up by the transformer technology, has really proven to give a rugged and reliable product to the market. As you can see in the background here, all the blue boxes, we're busy redesigning a lot of new products, bringing out new commercially biased products, high voltage products. But a lot of our existing products are also perfect for these new markets. So as the industry is changing and Eskom has had more reliable power supply this year, everybody's looking at commercial market. And there we're looking at more of a finance solution, and Victron Energy's got a very unique value proposition based on our radical focus on innovation, continuous development, our fantastic remote monitoring, our flexible building blocks, and our reputation in the industry. We believe that total cost of ownership brings value to the market and becomes a bankable solution. Victron Energy's key partners, distributors in South Africa is IBC SOLAR, and we think IBC is a key partner. They have a young, dynamic team, very good value proposition, and great support and service.
Having a reliable battery for solar installations is quite important due to the fact that there is large amount of energy insecurity in Africa as well as South Africa. Having a reliable battery can also introduce cost savings, allowing you to optimize your PV system. Okay, so for commercial installations, it's large scale, which means there is a massive amount of PV being produced, and what we need to do is we need to essentially harness all that excess storage. Where a battery comes in, and a commercial battery like SolarMD, you are able to essentially store that energy, but also monitor your entire system. We have a MyPower24 app or MyPower24 platform, which allows you to essentially monitor your entire plant. So for a commercial system where there is grid instability, this allows you to manage that plant entirely. As SolarMD has been in the industry for over 10 years, we have essentially grown over time, and so has our products. What makes our products stand out for high energy demands is the fact that we are able to produce batteries on a scalable level. Our containerized solutions are suitable for farms and big businesses, as it is an all-in-one solution that includes